Hi everyone. Today I choose to draw a still life completely freehand. No pencil lines, no planning, just a simple black pen. Why? Because freehand drawing with a pen teaches us something powerful. You can't erase mistakes, and it's okay. Every stroke becomes a part of the story. Some lines may go off course, some objects may not be perfectly shaped, but that is the beauty of it. It is about observing, feeling, flowing, not about achieving perfection. If you have stopped drawing because of fear of making mistakes, fear of judgment, fear that your work isn't good enough, I invite you to come back. Draw like no one is watching, like a child. No rules, no expectations, just curiosity, joy, and presence. Let the pen dance on the paper, let the mistakes stay, let them become part of the art. Sometimes it is not about the result, it is about losing yourself in the moment and finding a little piece of peace there. So, if you have been waiting for a sign, that is it. Pick up your pen, start again.